In the last lecture, you learned 5 different ways that you can promote your YouTube video to get those initial views. And in this lecture, you're really going to learn about 5 different metrics that you can focus on to measure your video performance. We're really looking at YouTube analytics here. And by looking at these analytics and drawing out the insights, you can really see what's working and do more of what's working so you can really grow your YouTube channel and traffic. So as well as these 5 metrics, I'm going to show you this Chrome extension called vidIQ. This is great to give you some additional insights into your videos and even see and get information about your competitors on YouTube as well. Let's start by looking at the metrics here. And first off, underneath the video, you can see quite a lot of statistics. You can see the number of views, you can see the number of thumbs up, the number of dislikes, and also if you come in here to more under statistics, you can see some of these statistics here. So number of views, time watched, subscriptions driven, the number of shares, etc. So there's quite a lot of information right underneath the video. You don't even need to go any further than that. But really in here, view more stats is where we can get a lot more information. And I recommend that you really come in here to analyze your videos. So once inside here, I recommend you start off at looking at watch time. And remember that this watch time is the key metric rather than just video views. So if we come down here, we can look at watch time and we can see the total number of watch time down here. So pretty phenomenal to see for your videos how much time people watch. That's 35 days, 22 hours in total. And you can see the trend across a certain time length. You can see all sorts of different graphs here broken down in terms of the watch time by different countries, etc. You can see a global spread out of it there. And so keeping an eye on that watch time, which audience is really watching the most, is very helpful. Now after watch time, you can look at subscriptions driven. We already saw those underneath the video, and you can also see here in subscribers more information about that, subscriptions gained. Now keep in mind that these metrics in here are subscribers for the last 28 days. So I could change this just to maybe lifetime, and I could see the total number of subscriptions that this one video has driven, which is a pretty good amount of subscribers for one video. After you've looked at subscriptions driven, you might want to come and look at engagement. So the shares, likes, comments, you can see those underneath the video, but you can also come in and see them here as well and get a lot more information about the comments, the likes, the dislikes. You can see where those are coming from. You can see all of these sorts of graphs again. You can see all of the different dates, etc. So you can dig deeper on those if you want. Now, audience retention, this is a key one, is really seeing where viewers dropped off. And this can be quite interesting to go into and particularly look at the videos, and if there's any big drops in terms of the videos, you know, what happened here at 25 seconds. Is there really a pause in my voice, or does it not sound exciting enough? Or what is causing people to drop off quickly? What causes these little spikes in interest here? I guess this is the start of a new chapter, and I probably would have put that in the description of my video. So some people are maybe clicking here, coming straight to this part of the video because there's something particularly interesting for them there. But this is a key one to watch. You always want to try and improve that curve and keep people watching all the way to the end and improving that really watch time. Now the final report and metric that I'd encourage you to look at is really traffic sources. So this is seeing how viewers really find your content. The traffic sources come from within YouTube and also external sites as well. So let us come down to this here. We can look at traffic sources. And what I can see now down here is a breakdown of the different traffic sources for this video. So I can see 44% of my traffic actually comes from suggested videos. So that means that I'm appearing in the sidebar here. I'll show you now. I'm appearing in the sidebar here for other similar videos, and I'll show you exactly what videos there are now. But you can see YouTube search, I'm showing up 26% of my traffic is coming there. From external apps, browse features, all the way down, kind of getting into negligible numbers down here. So let's look at suggested videos. Now, because I've done all my SEO optimizations, etc., Google knows that I'm similar to these videos here. So if I look at this particular video here, I can open this up here, and you can see I'm appearing in the suggested videos at the side. So in terms of suggested videos, this one's delivering me 28%, and you can see the breakdown for the other videos as well. So a lot of traffic is coming in through those suggested videos, which is great to see. Another big percentage is coming in through YouTube search here. And what I can see now here are all the search terms that people are really typing in to find me. And no surprise there. SEO tutorial for beginners, SEO for beginners. These are all of the keywords that I really optimized around, and it's great to see that those are actually working, and that is delivering me traffic from the search engine in Google. Now, those are really 5 metrics that I would encourage you to keep an eye on, and you can access those for each individual video, and it's a great way to draw insights out to see what's working and to learn even more. Now, if you want additional insights, there is one great tool that I would recommend. It's called vidIQ Chrome extension. It's a free Chrome extension. There is a paid version if you want to upgrade, but it is extremely powerful even as the free version. So all you have to do is go ahead, click on that link, and then you will be able to add that in. Now, I've already got it added in. I'm just going to activate it here. Come to my settings, come to extensions, and it should be down the end here somewhere, vidIQ. So I'm going to open this up, and now I'm going to refresh the page here. This is for one of my competitors. This is the guy who's sending me a lot of traffic, and now I can see here the vidIQ stats come up beside. So this is the add-in, the additional information that this tool shows up. And what I can see is a lot of information about the views, the embedded sources, the channel subscribers, the Facebook likes. There's a massive amount of additional information I can find out about this video, including the tags that this video is using, and also the tags that it is ranking for. So it's ranking number 1 for search engine optimization. Here are some of the other tags that this video is using, and I can see their ranking position. So you can see here what this video ranks in YouTube when you search for this keyword. So what you can do as well is come to these competitors that are sending you a lot of traffic, or even come to them straight away and see what keywords they're ranking for. And also you can take some of those keywords for yourself, like SEO for dummies, how to rank in Google. Maybe these are tags that I can simply just add into my video now, because I can see that other people are ranking for them, and I can do that for myself. So that's a great way to get additional information on competitors. You can see there's a huge amount of information, and there's a lot that you can really learn from that information. So that is the final piece. That is the YouTube analytics. These are the 5 key metrics to focus on. This is how you get those additional insights. And that really wraps up the final step in the project for this course. This is what you will do after you publish the video. So in the next lecture, we're going to wrap up, recap on the project, and look forward to seeing your videos. So let's talk about it in the next lecture.